Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Aura floor plan. This is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Aura here is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. You're going to get a little over 1,300 square foot with the 2-car garage. Let's walk inside and take a look here. So with the Aura floor plan, as we walk inside the entry, directly to the right, you're going to find 2 of the guest bedrooms. So here's guest bedroom number 1. And then we have guest bedroom number 2 right next to it. And then we have the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. Now back to the main entry hallway here. If we work our way towards the back of the home, we come to the indoor laundry room with the full-size washer and dryer, some additional storage space, and then this door right here is your entry to the 2-car garage. Then we come to the owner's retreat here towards the back of the home, and you've got the owner's bath with the singular sink, the commode, the shower, and nice walk-in style closet here. And last but not least, on the Aura, you've got the open great room design here. So the kitchen is offset to the corner. You've got the pantry as well off on the side here. You've got nice quartz countertops, stainless appliance package. This would be your dining space right here in this corner. And then right over here, this is where you would have your TV space here. So nice little great room design here with the Aura. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.